lessons. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl. Lifestyle flaws about her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl.
It's a new week, new vlog. Today is not Saturday, but you are watching it on Saturday. So I just want to, welcome you to a new vlog. This week, I honestly don't know what's going on. Right now, I'm not too motivated to vlog around here right now because so much is going on. But I just want to start off the vlog. So please, if you're new, subscribe and share it to your friends and family. Like up the video, like the video. Yes, interact with it so that YouTube can push me up more, because I've been consistent. So like up the video and share the video. And for all those that's been sharing the video, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. So yeah, thank you for coming and thank you for your support. Thank you for all of the kind words that you put on the message, the video last week. Yeah, big up on yourself. So yeah, guys, just stick with me. It's gonna get better. Honestly, it's going to get better. And I cannot be like all the other influencers or content creators right now because I work, system work, and editing and everything take a lot of time. But I've been pushing, so just keep me on the prayers. Yeah. So yeah, I just want to start off the vlog because if you don't do it right now, there's no sale, no now get no next week, which you're not gonna get because we started. Yeah. So pick up with a nice yourself and stay tuned with the journey. Only 1 cc. If you got life. Alright, stop now. Go away. Come on, give me an hand. Go, give me a hand. Give me the hand now. Take shoe off. It's slippery. You good? She's good. Nothing is wrong. Ashley, we never have no content, but now we have content. Yeah, laugh after me. Who laugh last? Laugh best. Yeah, man. Cool. Ashley, how you do? Can you not turn it up? Ashley, extra. Or extra, so. We're running underneath the warm water bubble in. Come like the evil Grinch day. Just a laugh. Why? That funny star. When time nearly dropping out, me nearly drop and she laugh after me. I dead though, she dropped. And she dropped worse. And me nearly drop. She dropped. Ashley is actually extra, so she knows all that hurt. She's an extra child. Imagine waking up to this every day. Like, look at this. Like, look at that. Just look at that. Yeah, so that's my view from this condo. And it looks good. Can you imagine when it's summer and trees are full, but it still look good, knowing that you can see the white marks on the mountain. Alright guys, so I literally just got home and I normally shower, but I just feel like I just need to come to you because I am not really vlogging this week, and I know that many of you like this sit down and talk video, so I'm just gonna do that for this week. I have a few clippings that I'm gonna insert obviously, but yeah, I just wanna sit down and talk to you, just level bit to know. Anyhow, I am basically going to go back on my word, not entirely but a little bit, yeah. So back then I tell us say, oh, I don't want to go anywhere where a lot of Jamaicans are, and like can't bother with it, like Jamaicans just always a fight against Jamaicans, which is true, it's not lie, but guess what, we can't generalize everybody, we can't put everybody in the same box, you understand? Because not because this Jamaican or this Colombian or this person treat you a certain way mean that all of the nation is going to treat you that way. And honestly, coming here give me a new perspective, right? Yes, I'm going to know that I'm supposed to always watch my back when it comes down to my own nation, and I'm going to be walking on thin lines and all those stuff, and I'm not going to try to cross anyone. Yeah, I know that, but honestly, being here working with these Jamaicans, and many of you may know where I am, which yeah, no matter about working with these Jamaicans, and let me tell you, we have probably 100 if not more Jamaicans here. Yeah, probably less than, probably 80, between 80 and 100 Jamaicans working here. And honestly, I don't know if it's because I'm not mingling with everyone, but the few that I know and I come across, alright, they're not so bad. And you have one and two but they're not so bad. Like honestly, they're not so bad. And the best part about being here is the apartment that they give us, right? And after a while it get boring. Yes, you have somewhere that you're comfortable in and you're working and all this stuff, but after a while it gets so bored. And these Jamaicans, Jamaican them always a bit of vibes. Yeah, they have games night, parties, they go to an excursion, and I may not go to any party, but we go to the games night, and honestly I had a whopping time. And I went on excursion, and sometimes just being at work in the same space, like listen, going to work, right? When you in the field that I am right now, you mostly spend time with your partner, which is the work partner, right? And that's like between say 10:30 to about 5, right? And can I tell you that sometimes the best part is just going before your shift starts. Everybody just congregate one place, having fun, talking. Today, this girl just come and say, let's pray. We all pray, and then we start worship. Like one thing with Jamaicans, no matter if them a bad man, God are always in the mix. God are always in the mix of any turmoil, any confusion, anything. God are always today. And yes, yesterday we were going through something, and then we just put God in it today, and everybody you just start off the vibes, and we like that with we know how to hold a vibe. You get what I'm saying? As I'm saying that to say that, hey, listen, not all Jamaicans are the same, not all Mexicans are the same, not all Africans are the same. Give people their fair share, right? And don't just throw everybody in a one box and judge them. You understand? Because if me saying that, hey, Jamaican them bad man, me I consider myself to, because me say Jamaican them, I am Jamaican. You understand? What you can say is that some, because it's not all. And you can go somewhere, and because you had a bad experience with someone, you start judging someone new for the experience that you had. That don't make any sense, because you're not giving people their fair chance to probably show something else that you never seen before. Probably would have treated way better than anybody in your family would have treat you. Understand? So I'm just saying that, yo, yes, so you shot me there, they're not that bad. They're not bad. As I'm saying, I don't know all of them. I don't know all of them, but the few that I interact with, I'll go on under themselves. Yeah. And we're practically what, 3-4 months in, and I've not heard any major thing happen. Normally when I hear people fighting over this, fighting over that, or some format, somebody get fired or something like that. And what I've learned from this, because I always say I don't want to go anywhere where a lot of Jamaican is. Honestly, if the Jamaicans wasn't here, it would have been a boring place. Like honestly, it would have been a boring place. Because even the little fuss them, sometimes you just look back on them and you just laugh. You understand? The fact that they do games night and all those stuff, like something to get you out of your comfort zone, something to get you out of the house, because you're just going to work home. Like, yeah. Anyway, differently from that, this, I am hungry, but I just feel lazy. Like I don't feel the cooking vibes this week, honestly. Yeah, and Valentine is coming. I want to go to dinner. Maybe me and my roommate go, because Ashley suggested something and then now she backed out. But I just feel like I want to be cute up, dolled up, and just go out and have dinner for Valentine's Day. That's what I want. So we should call the restaurant and book, reserve a table. But that's what I feel like I want to do. And my hair, I really need to pull out my hair because it's itching now. But because I may go out on Valentine's Day, I'm not going to pull it out right now. So if we don't go anywhere out on Valentine's Day, then I'll pull it out and then we decide whatever. By the way, I have gifts. I bought Ashley and Roxanne a Valentine's gift. I don't know why I stay so now. I honestly don't know why I stay so. Like, I don't know. We just like celebrate. So this year we're going places and we're doing things. This year we're not going to be sulking or, you know, last year we just go out. Last year I went dinner. And then I went to the movies on my sister and I got a massage. This year I'm gonna top that, right? This year if I am photo shoot more have to do. Again, this year we need to go above and beyond. This year we need to acquire things, we need to do things. Like this year need to be better than last year. So that's that. What other updates? As it relates to the scam thing going around, it's like it's not here or there to me anymore. Honestly, is the reason why that is not the reason why I'm not vlogging. You know, the reason why I'm not vlogging is because there's really not much more to vlog anymore. Right? Whenever I'm going out, yeah, I'm gonna vlog. But differently from that, I'm just gonna come and talk to you. Now, guys, my TikTok, I built a new TikTok. Go and follow it so I can go live again. You go and follow it. I really don't want to talk much about H2B on that TikTok anymore. Like honestly, I would rather to start doing business and interaction, talk to people them. Yeah, that's what I want to do, because this H2B thing is not for the weak. Yeah, and I just can't be bothered with it anymore. But yeah, as it relates to the whole scam thing, like I'm so over it. Like seeing people comment and saying that, hey, they know me and blah blah blah, and they know, so this is not me, this cannot be true. I'm like that. My only fear was that people would never know me, yeah, would I see it and say really, and start, you know, look, see me on the road and think, say, yo, me at this and me at that, knowingly I'm not that. Yeah, but differently from that, I gotta find my battle and that's over and done with, and I'm good. Yeah, but for all those who subscribe, guys, I want to take this channel to another level. Like, I've been looking on things that I want to buy And it's crazy because it's not like I'm making crazy money, you know. I'm not making enough money. It's the money when I make per year can't stay. Like honestly, that is why I'm not quitting my job. I've been looking at things that I want to buy for the channel. I want to get a drone, and not always hear me talk about that. I want to get a MacBook Pro, and not always hear me talk about that. I'm not an Apple fan, but just for the fact that I need to edit good. Right now I'm using CapCut. CapCut is good, but it can't give me the things that I need, like what I used to use Premiere Pro and Filmora. Filmora on the laptop was very good, but on the tablet, nah, it's not giving. So I just know I need a laptop, and I feel like I need to start selling my stuff them on Facebook Market or something. I need to wipe off that laptop and just get a new one. I'll probably wipe it off and say but I want a MacBook because more if you use Final Cut, and Final Cut only can use on MacBook. And then I'm also thinking about getting like a real vlogging, like the Sony Z something camera. And I feel like I need to sell my Canon camera. Like I don't know, but I want to take this channel to another level, and I want to be more consistent on here. I like posting more than one video per week. But you know, I'm working, and sometimes when you come home you just want to relax, and that is where I'm at. I need to also get more content for Soar with Nessa. Yes, if you have not yet followed Soar with Nessa for information and support, go and follow that. And if you're watching me and you reach this far, like you've been coming back and you're not subscribed, like what are you waiting on? Where you wait pan? Remember to like the video. If you don't like the video, you know, the community not gonna grow, you know, and the community need to grow so we can have more interaction and it can push me more, you understand? But for everybody with the me channel and like give me good advice and affirm me and all them something there, like so no, big up on yourself. And thank you. So I'll catch you back one day in the week. One day when something happen. But for now I'm just planning for trips, and I'm gonna take you guys with me, obviously. And I am planning to see if I can go to another country on my birthday, which is September, and you know I'll be on the program. So so you have to stay tuned for that to see how that work out, so I can tell you guys how that work out. So stay tuned for that. We can do it, but you know, sometimes you never have have that person that been through it, so that they can tell you exactly how to do it. I'm gonna do that. I may actually start plan. Me have my travel planner doing another and something there. So that is the plan. If it not happen, it just not happen. You understand? That is that. But I need to do a mini vacation before I go on to my summer work. So right now I need to save my money. No money in the year, but the little chipans them, save it for the little mini vacation. Rent due the 16th after Valentine's Day. So anyhow, I'll catch you back later. So I got some package, and in this it's like Valentine's stuff. So I bought Ashley and my roommate Valentine's gift. I know I didn't have to, but I choose to. I'm not really gonna show you exactly what's in there, because I'm gonna just leave it to them. If they want to show them, show. But anyway, what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna review them on TikTok. So I'm gonna create a new TikTok page, because I want to go into products. I want to get promotion and all them something there. So I start my journey. So I'm gonna start a TikTok page with all of the products them that I buy. So I review them, put links so I can get them, and I can make a little money. I get me, I say? So if you want to see what I actually bought, you'd have to follow this TikTok right here. I'm saying right here, let me even create it yet. When I create it yet, we're gonna make sure we create it right now so that we can put the name right there. So so all of this, and then what I can show you, I'm gonna show you, because some of them is mine. I don't even remember what's in here, and then it looks too much because I know it's 5 package that I ordered, and this look more than 5. Because even this, the electric stuff, two of them say electric stuff. Anyway, I'm going to open them, and if you want to see everything, just go on this TikTok. So yeah, I'm gonna take a thumbnail, because I always find like me have the clips and everything, and then when we forget a thumbnail, me just can't find one. So how does this look? Yeah, I'm gonna get a thumbnail now, so that I'm trying to be intentional. Okay, intentional. All right, so I'm gonna do the TikTok stuff. So go follow it and go look on them. Okay. Yeah. Roxanne lied to me. Roxanne lied to me, no? Roxanne lied to me. Because I asked her she cook, she tell me say chicken and rice. I'm not no rice. I'm not no rice. Like where rice there? Even though my glass look, because I never want a rice. But you lied to me. You hurt me. And I have to make the people see what kind of people you be. What kind of person you be. You hurt me, man. You lied to me. But thank you. Yeah, thank you, Roxy Boo. Yeah, so guys, I'm actually pleased with the gifts, because me never know it's a real rose. Me never know it's a real rose, like a literally real rose me buy. I never know. So I know they're gonna be glad for it. So they can't say nobody never get no roses for them Valentine's. Yeah, them get real bush. So I'm just gonna eat my dinner. Complimentary from my roommate. So I'm gonna share it and then show you looking at my plate, okay? Yeah. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Yeah. Right this one. And then I have my iced tea. Yeah. Barbecue chicken with mac and cheese and iced tea. Garlic bread, I assume. Now I'm just gonna edit the videos for TikTok and then eat and watch some TV same time. Yeah, so who wants some? You know, so somebody wants some or somebody wants some, why it show it for me. You're not getting none. Bye. This one I got to be the jabata. I know get time the jabata. So today is a snow day. It's kind of cold, and I thought the snow did over, but apparently not. Because yesterday I saw someone status in Philly, and I was like, why don't I get so much snow and wind and get an hour closer to the heavens? Like what? But today, last night, it decided to fall, and it's just weird how, like, in the blink of the eye, the whole place can white. You know, the whole place white. But the man came and did the walkway, so I don't have to walk in snow. So right now I'm waiting on the shuttle, and I just put on Roxanne gift on the table. She asleep though, and me have Ashley one I carry. Gotta work. Yeah, so guys, if you really want to see what it was, go and follow my new Snapchat. That's where I'm gonna follow post all of my like unboxing and so forth. Yeah. So follow me on V-La-Nessa. Yeah, V-La-Nessa. Anyhow, later. Happy Lovers Day, guys. We're single, but you know, we're still sharing the love. First client, Ashley Dogs. It's not your last name.
Ashley, baby. Happy Valentine's Day. Here's to love, laughter, and the occasional embarrassing moments.
Oh my God. This is safe. Just lift up it. Yeah.
Nobody ain't here when me ask you how you pull.
Oh, sorry. It's really rose, you know.
Let me see.
Oh.
You say you're gonna make me cry, no. I have to do that.
I cry, yeah, man.
Any video. Thank you so much.
I cry, yeah, man. Ashley, let me see your face.
No. Yeah, any video?
Yeah.
Come here, you do.
Alright, really.
Let me see it.
The video? Ashley, why outside behaving like this? You know what we do? The news. Welcome to V-La-Nessa Geographic Channel. Now today we're having high gust of winds coming from the northern side of the island. We're gonna practice. Go on, Ashley. Canada. What? Jesus Christ. What's that? Ow. This is not it. Oh, wrong door. Oh God. You made it?
There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed.
Hold up. In the platoon, that's me and you, that's very simple. In the removed, okay, we through, but I ain't finished yet. Can I slide with you? Spend the night with you? Just let me write, and it you dripping from my signature. I feel like your body inspired my intentions. We left the squad hanging, it's only time with us. You know I vibe different.
Want, I go repeat. Tell me what you need, I go need deep. When I fall in love, I go deep, deep. You could copy that like it's easy. You look like you need proper. Come get this vitamin D power. Be ready to touch when I reach it. I go eat it up, I no vegan. I make that thing go wilder. I go make that thing run water. I go make you sing my song. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed, in my bed. Oh na 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 na. Meeting in my bed, na 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 na. In my bed. How you keep it sweet like that, like that? Not a berry peach like that, like that. Fresher than Febreze like that.
What is not this? What's that? Get over there. And camera set up. What is not this?
It's a flossy flowers, that's real flowers. I don't know if you have no smell.
See, it's here what I really want to. And it
It's
can
real?
light up. Yes.
Yeah, because I couldn't light up. But me don't say real.
Really?
Yeah, that's real.
How much is this? 7 flowers. 7
I don't even know.
7
7 is good thing.
No, what 7 mean? Remember. If I give roses and flower.
Just have to pick them up with no remorse. What is it? What is it?
Yeah, put it right though. Anyway, we have put it on later when you're going out.
You can put it on right now. Why not?
No. You just sit up later.
Okay.
Mash you up.
Oh, can I carry it?
What?
Nobody in a laundry, don't you?
Who need man when you have girlfriends?
Then come look at no laundry we are put on down here. So. Happy Valentine's Day, darling. You must come.
She clean the bathroom.
I think I like the shirt down. Nobody unbox it when we're here.
Why not? Look at that. Exactly.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Say you want me unboxing?
No.
Okay.
When we're there.
Bye. More happy now who are clean up the place now.
Yeah.
Master Connie.
Favorite color?
Oh no. Come here, so it smell like fine salt.
Purple is your second one. Favorite color? Aww, it's a purple nail. Let's see what he says.
Cha-cha. So, it's said to little Miss Bully.
Facts. Facts. Facts.
They say that the time you spend with someone determines the relationship you and that person have. I did not believe it until I met you. Cheers to a wonderful Valentine's Day. Little Miss, can't sleep if me no text or call her at night time.
Aww.
I wish part I Google find it.
Me no know ya. Bully.
But why me
You don't know why you're afraid. You have to open it to know.
in a bubble.
Oh, what? Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, that's so cute. What do we have here?
It's a, what's this now? Bath and Body Hurts. It's like a body thing. I don't know what I call it this now. It's a whole bathroom stuff. Exactly.
So turn it around. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see.
Coming up bath and bed things.
Lavender and honey.
So tell me now, when them package the things them like that, right? They expect me to use it?
No. And it even have one little personal bathtub.
And that means to us when them decorate it like this, we're not supposed to use it.
Aww. This is cute. Tell me what we have. What we got. So we have the. You got to open it, you know.
We have the shampoo. So the bath, something like this. You know, shampoo bar. Oh, I never used this before now. You know, so me don't wash.
Open.
You have soap and then you have bath salt and then this score something.
Oh, that's
so I guess
pretty.
you have body wash, shampoo and conditioner and then you have the soap and then the shampoo bar.
There's a shampoo bar.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And bath salt and this score something.
Aww. They look nice.
No makeup. Like, look on this lighting. No, man.
So the other side, this is just fun for us. It's supposed to be.
Getting my makeup done for tonight. Remember, I'm not pro, but I'm gonna make it happen, okay? Alright. Don't need it, do I? My people them know say no. Whenever I put on the makeup, me wash it off back and then me go without.
That doesn't make no sense.
Because me just feel like me look better without makeup.
That's why we have to try. Just try. That's why we say we have to take a chance and see. What we like. I mean, let's say put on makeup here.
Your body not like man. Your body not like man.
this is not rum, so you cannot correct it if you have too much. You have to use a little bit.
Rum?
You know, when you mix drinks or you know the bartender, if you don't know if you mix it, just make it heavy.
Wow.
Mm.
And then what?
They love it so. They love it when it's heavy, so they now complain. Look at me behaving like a poor. Can't talk to me, not talk up to me. Natural stuff, so.
You can do this now. Look on the lash or naturally lash look them.
What's up with your makeup on this? Did you got me eye?
You're not even give me a chance.
Put me two and we lead them together.
You're supposed to stay up your head and
So you're not squeezing soon.
Wait a minute, let me show you this. Oh look. You look very natural too.
The pitch me now.
You know some you got computer. Come on.
Ooh, look at that.
Lash wear.
It's a Ronnie. Just in case you never know. Just in case you never know. Love you, girl. Do you feel the same? I don't wanna play games.
And if you cut off the end, then come and lash too far away.
This is the final fit. How did I do? How did I do? How did I do? My nose still look big, still I never contour at all, but yeah. We need to do this more often, you know? But can't manage. Yeah, but that time I kiss my teeth. I couldn't be camera with this hot girl lifestyle. Out of all of the days, today is the worst weather, and we literally have to run come in the bathroom to dry my tears because that was too much. Anyhow, going back out.
Like as a pizza? Pizza water? You can try that. You can change the sweet potato to something else.
Maybe the salmon and the loaded fries. Give them loaded fries.
Then the nice. Have you tried it? You tried it? We pretty tried it. That means an ACM recipe.
Like they could have something different. Like I must say we feel the fries-ish, but then the fries might come and then it taste good.
How should you know? How would you know? The fries
That's why I'm
are not
waiting on you to get your fries.
good.
See, you never go wrong with pizza.
The wings, you want to try wings?
Family ain't take no picture food before me cook it.
We have dinner wasn't all that. The vibes was indifferent. Yeah, dinner never tastes good. But I said let's take home the pizza. It's like always my turn around, but it's fine still. You know, lovers day, we don't feel left out. You know, we enjoy each other company. Just reach home. Just touch down in at the airport. I actually missed something. Alright guys, so you've come to the end of the vlog. We put up me here. I just want to make a note so that next week when I come and I say, what happened to the hair here? We put up me here. And then guess what guys, for those who know, would know why I am so pissed. Like look on this. Look on this. One long length. Cut it out. Like tell me why. All the way down here, so come all the way up the wall of the camera oil sit here. Good day. Good day. Tell me why I was pulling out my hair yesterday and I cut out all of that. I remember this from the live, remember? Right? It take time I grow back now. And you remember the front part that's when I cut out. At this point I just feel like I just want to cut off my hair and not bother with it. Like, but me gonna just, I don't know what I'm gonna do with me hair. Like me time for braid me hair and then me just can't bother with it. If I comb it every day, like me just can't bother. Me honestly can't bother. Anyway, I need to wash my hair because it's actually dirty. And every time I scratch my hair, I scratch my skin scratch me, and I can't bother with that because I have sensitive skin. So I just come just the end of the vlog. Yeah, because the last clip was at the Valentine's dinner and I had a great time. I had got gifts and I gave gifts. It was a great Valentine's Day. And honestly, starting off from my birthday last year, so go and watch the vlog if you don't watch the vlog. From my birthday last year, I decided that, you know what, I'm not gonna wait on no man to treat me. I'm gonna treat myself and then, you know, appreciate others. And look what happened. Like me showing people who I am and giving, you know, God is allowing them to pour back in my life. So yeah, sometimes you give and you don't get it instantly, but eventually you get it. You may not get it from the same person, you know. It come from God, and sometimes some people give it back to you like, really? I couldn't expect it. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So I bought some stuff on TikTok shop and I don't know if I'm gonna get it next week, but stay tuned for that unboxing. And as I said before, I'm not going to do one bag of unboxing on this. So if you don't need to see when we buy, just go on my TikTok. Yeah, V-La-Nessa teas, and also from my other TikTok, because you know the other one get banned and we need to build up back. Yeah, follow that. And what else do I need to tell you? Yes, remember I have stuff under my Amazon store, so if you need stuff like as it relates to Jamaican stuff, if you're foreign and you need Jamaican stuff, let's go from my Amazon store front and buy some stuff. Like me say una buy stuff, like big up on a nice clean self, me say una. Yeah, so this year we're gonna see if we can get some deals or get some stuff. Like we'll go out there in this year, understand? But just bear with me, as I said in the middle. Anyway, if you are part of the VP gang, just drop down in the comment VPs. They're a long time. Yeah, just in case. We just always see each other. Yeah, just want to see each other. Yeah, drop it down in the comments. Okay, and remember to like it. Like it. Yeah, like it. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and share it to your friends and your family. You know, share it to your friends, tell them to share it to another friend, and just keep sharing. You understand? So that we can reach out there. Anyway, I'll see you next week, and I pray that next week will be the best week of your life. Of 2024, the best week. Like anything that you want to acquire, any answered prayer that you want answered, I pray that next week will be the week that you get answered prayer. Yeah. So, thank you for stopping by. Bye.